At ito ang chismis. Pati yung asawa niya, hindi pa rin naririnig.
Hindi natin alam eh. Baka susurpresahin tayo. Sa Sabado, abangan nyo. At aabangan din namin ni Anjo. Kung magaling kumanta talaga to si Paring Ryan. At kayo na humusga.
Sabado yan.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite all...
Bukas na yan! Mapapanood na natin ang inaabangang performance ni Dabar Cats Ryan!
Yeah! Asan na ba yan? Ay, nagpa-practice.
Nagpa-practice sa likod.
Nagbabalot ng lalamunan, ano ba?
At maya-maya naman, makikipagsayawan tayo kasama ang Accelerate with Christopher Martin and Joshua Jonicio.
Pero bago yan, pasyemputin muna natin ang mga Dabar Cats dito sa studio.
Let's go, let's go!
Dabar Cats Display!
Tagalog ang bagla ito.
Eto na nga. Hello! Welcome to our home! I have some visitors here from all over the globe. Ang Owens family galing Oregon, USA yan. Hello! Eto naman mga kumari ko from Denver, Colorado, ang Bourbon family. Haba naman yan. Albany, Oregon naman ang pinanggalingan ni Miss Lorna Laudit Owens. Gosh! Eto pa, mukha namang galing Cerritos, California, ang Francisco family. Ang Padilla family galing Colorado rin. At eto naman, sino po yan? Kayo rin ay Francisco family rin. And over there, Athens, Greece, ang Amande family nasa Itbulagan. We have more friends. Sino? Sino susunod? Ito pa pala. From Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, ang Tenorio family in the house. And then, from Florida, uy, talo Miami, ano ba yan? Nandito kasi kayo eh.
Let's go, Dallas!
Ang Deniega family. Si Ruby kaya, may mga friends din, Mare? Madami rin akong friends. Huwag ka mag-alala, mag-home court advantage na daw sila. Eto na ang mga Dabar Cats natin mula sa Dubai. Valdez family. Kasama rin nila ang mga taga-Dubai nilang Dabar Cats na ang Samonte family. Ayan sila. 2 batches of Samonte family from Dubai. Ang tutong na yan, mga Dabar Cats natin sa Riyadh. Haji Noor family. At magkumulong tayo dito, Abu Dhabi naman. Ang Digia family. Dami nating Dabar Cats sa Middle East. At sila nanay na nagmula pa sa Taiwan, ang Miranda family na. Kita mo naman si nanay at mula sa Singapore. Andito rin ang Lizo family. Siyempre, umaakit din ako dito sa tuktok. Dahil mapalapit na ako sa mga Dabar Cats natin mula naman sa Toronto, Canada. Dalbawa family. Hindi naman magpapauli mga Dabar Cats nating excursionistas. Lamang ka.
Ito, ang unang babatiin natin, ang mga Dabar Cats from Bulacan, Bulacan! At nandito din ang Dabar Cats natin from Barangay 843, Pandacan, Manila! Welcome!
Alan Baka akala mo ikaw lang may mga Dabar Cats dyan. Meron din ako Dabar Cats from Barangay 829, Otis, Paco, Manila! Polangski, who's with you?
Thank you, Miss Alan Kay from London. Andito ang mga Dabar Cats natin from Barangay 47M, San Antonio, Cavite. At itong mga lady sa aking kaliwa. Puro butterfly ang kanilang mga t-shirt. The Butterfly Barangay Turo, Quezon City! Welcome po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon naman, ituloy-tuloy na natin ang Fun Friday kasama ang Team Imusenyo. Eto na, sina Joshua, Chris, and Accelerate!
Waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs. Gotta have a bowl, gotta have a cereal. Seeing everything the time is going. Ticking on and on, everybody rushing. Gotta get down to the bus stop. Gotta catch my bus, I see my friends. Kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up, which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying, partying, yeah, partying, partying, yeah, fun, 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 looking forward to the weekend. We're driving on the highway, cruising so fast, I want something to fly, fun, fun, think about fun, you know what it is. I got this, you got this, my friend is by my right. Hey, I got this, you got this, now you know it. Kicking in a front seat, sitting in a back seat. Gonna make my mind up, which seat can I take? It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying, partying, yeah, partying, partying, yeah, fun, 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 looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday, Thursday, today is Friday, Friday. We so excited, we so excited. We gonna have a ball today. Tomorrow is Saturday, and Sunday comes after one. I don't want this weekend to end. So chilling in the front seat, in the back seat, I'm driving, cruising, fast lanes, switching lanes with a car on my side. Customized the school bus in front of me makes tick tock on the screen. Check my time, it's Friday, it's a weekend, we gonna have fun. Come on, yeah. Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying, partying, yeah, partying, partying, yeah, fun, 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 looking forward to the weekend.
Yan sina Joshua Junicio, Chris Martin, and Accelerate. Up next, Pinoy Henyo Intercollegiate Edition.
Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend, weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down.
Sinong mag-aakala